It's Teacher Paige. Hit the bell. Click subscribe. It's time for Oh My Stars! A lot of you have asked, do I use stars as my primary reward or my secondary reward system? Most of the time, I do not use it as a secondary reward system, especially for my littles. It's just not enough for them. I use the stars about every 5 minutes throughout the lesson, and when they earn a star within the PowerPoint presentation, I reward them the star at that moment on the screen. I usually always have another separate reward that we're doing. Maybe we're drawing a picture, maybe we're playing tic-tac-toe at the end of the lesson, maybe we are, I don't know, I have some puzzles. I have lots of different rewards that I do. Students, if the lesson is just jam-packed and I know that we're not going to have much time, I will have the stars be my primary reward. And that's when I really try to make the most of my stars by talking about what is on the picture and really making sure that I add the sound effects and make it as exciting as I can, since they're not getting another reward within our lesson. I hope that this helps you to decide whether or not you want to use them as a primary. I hope this helps you decide whether you want to use it as a primary reward or a secondary reward. Either way, they're awesome. If you have any questions about how to use stars in your classroom, be sure to drop a comment below so I can help you out. Thanks for dropping in. Be sure to come back every Sunday for a new video. Happy teaching! Thanks for watching.